Hi guys, you're welcome back. Actually, in today's video, we are making Tufo snacks. Tufo snacks. So it's a very nice snacks, very delicious, very sweet. So enjoy it. Do it for your families and enjoy it. So like this channel, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Yeah, guys, making this tufa. Yeah, guys, making this tufa. This is what we are going to do. Making it, you need your soya beans, and this is my soya beans. You have to select the soya beans, select it from all the unwanted particles, like the like this. Some of this, there is some chaff still inside, so you select it. So after selecting it, look at it. So after selecting it, it is clean, and you know that it is clean enough. Pour it into a clean water, then wash it, then allow it to soak for overnight. This is overnight that I've soaked this one now. So I'm going to wash it out from it. If you like, you can peel it. If you don't, you allow it to be like that. So I'm going to wash it out. Then after washing it out, I'll blend it. Then use a clean water and mix it. So what I'm going to do now is to wash it out from this soaking water. So at least I have to wash it up to 2 times. Then it will be ready for blending. So now I'm going to wash it again. You can see it's clean, but I still need to wash it again. So we've finished blending it. I'm going to add water, then sieve it, sieve out the milk. So I'm just trying to mix everything. So I will turn it into a bigger bowl so that I'll be able to achieve what I want. Stir it, add water to it, adding the clean water. I'll rinse my container, rinse it very well. So I'll pour it into the sieve cloth to sieve out the milk. This is the chaff of it. You can use this chaff to make akara. But I'm not going to use it because I have domestic animal, so I'm giving it to my goats to eat. It's very nourishing. So we've put it on fire. I'm using my charcoal stove to burn it. So when it is boiling, that is when I'll add my pap water to congeal. Let's check whether it has started boiling. Wow. So at this stage, I'm going to add the pap water. This is my pap water. So I'm going to add it. Then I'll allow it to cook very well before I remove it. So at this point, I'm going to pour it into my sieve cloth, then add salt and pepper, then tie it. When it is cold, I'll slice it and fry it for eating. Adding salt. So at this point, we are going to fry it, add oil, then fry it. So I'm going to add the oil on fire to fry it. As the oil is hot now, I'm putting in my tufo.